So I've stopped into a joint called Cafe Ooh La La. Cookies look good. And taste. Pretty street setup now. I think it used to be a clothing outlet. Hipster kind of joint either way. Through transformation. Coffee very different. Interesting. Light. And I just learned the difference between an Americano and an Allongé. It's extra water in the Americano. But yeah, pissing outside. It's a slow start to the day. We'll see if I get up to anything productive anyways. I'll get up to something.